Dear future affiliate marketing pro, we know something you don't, and it's time to share the secret to success in affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner looking to level up your game, pay close attention. Our ebook is your key to unlocking the hidden strategies and principles that can skyrocket your affiliate marketing journey. We won't give away all the details here, but trust us, this knowledge can change everything. Inside, you'll discover a treasure trove of tips and advice that have been carefully curated to give you the edge you need. The benefits of this wisdom extend far beyond your initial expectations. Imagine watching your sales soar, building a loyal customer base, seeing commissions flow effortlessly into your account. But here's the kicker, there's more to gain than meets the eye. The extra benefits of mastering these techniques are nothing short of game-changing. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. We're offering you the chance to join the ranks of successful affiliate marketers who know something you need to know. This is your time to shine. Grab your copy now and start your journey to affiliate marketing excellence.